Today we're going to review double-digit multiplication by one digit, also known as the partial product. So go ahead, we covered this earlier this week, so this is just a recording so you guys are ready to go for your quiz. So today is 11/18/2020. Multiplication, partial product. So this is the easiest way. However, it is the longest way. And once the numbers start to get a lot bigger, your partial products is getting longer as well. But you always get to the right answer. So this is just part one. We are also going to learn two other ways to solve double-digit multiplication. So number one. In your Eureka book yesterday, we practiced with 1 times a number. So just for this recording, we're going to practice with 2 times because we know that when we multiply by 1, the number is always itself. So 1 times 32 is always going to be 32. 1 times a million is going to be a million. So we need to practice to see how it is with 2 times. So 2 times, and let's do something, 43 equals 2 times 43. How are we going to do this? So with partial product, it is always recommended that you start with your picture. So ones, tens, hundreds. Right now we're not getting too far, so just sticking with ones, tens, and hundreds for now. Later on, you are going to have to add thousands and 10,000s and so on and so on. But just for now, let's stick with these. So 2 times 43. The first step, showing me 43 on your place value chart. So go ahead and draw in that 43. We know that numbers are going to get bigger, so we're not going to add in 43 ones, but we have learned a different way to add in 43. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 is in the tens place, so 4 dots. 3 is in the ones place, so we get 3. 2, 3. 43 is shown here. 43. Only 4 because we are in the tens column, so we count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. 3 in the ones, we count by ones, 1, 2, 3. So 40 and 3. However, this one is a little different than our 1 times because now they want to see 2 groups of 43. So right now we're only showing 1 group of 43. So go ahead and show me 2 groups of 43 and draw that in your place value chart. Here's my second group. Same. I need to show 43 again for the second time. I am showing 2 groups of 43. Okay, so now for your partial product, you do have to line up the numbers vertically. So 43 times, and it's going to be the same way when you do addition. You line up the ones column. So this 2 is considered a 1 because the numbers are not any, it doesn't get any bigger. So the 3 is also in the ones column, so it lines up right underneath. 43 times 2. All right. Then it's asking you, 2 groups of 3 ones is how many? So you can always either do it in your head or you can go back to your graph. How many is 2 groups of 3 ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. Now you move to the second one. How many is 2 groups of 40? Not 4. That 4 is in the tens place, which stands for 40. So how many total of 2 groups of 40? Well, here are my 2 groups of 40 each. How many do I have? How many tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I have 80 tens. So that goes on the second line. If we had a third number, it would go on the third line. If we had a fourth number, it'd go on the fourth line. So that's why I said, as the numbers get bigger, this part is going to get longer. But for right now, we're just doing 1 and 2 digits. Okay, so we don't have any more. That is where we stop. And our rule here for multiplication, the first one is always multiplication. Anything after that is our simple, nice addition that we are very comfortable with. So now you just have to add these numbers together. Okay, please make sure you remember that. Multiplication, and then it becomes addition. So 6 plus 0, 6, and then 8 plus nothing, 8. 2 groups of 43 is 86.